Hi, I am Amelia, and today I will be your host for Portmore Talent Show. Today we have talents like you have never seen before. And today with us, we have the one and only Streetz, ranging from Spanish Town. We're gonna go ahead and take a quick break, and when we get back, we find out more about Streetz.
Fire Royal. If you no rate me no rate you too. Cause my friend realer than your Gucci shoes. We no follow man, we don't have a thing to prove your love. Chat is like a fruity youth. But my friend Nancy sure sell me yo. Tell me woman on me yard life for me. And not that my woman friend them do for your too. And my friend them.
Welcome back, viewers. Welcome back to the moment in which you have all been waiting for. So today we spoke to Streetz. But before we proceed, what is your correct name?
Well, my correct name is Roy Newell. That's a government name. I didn't get it by choice. It would be something else.
Okay, Roy, thanks for that information. And which school did you attend?
Well, I attend a lot of schools, right? Because basically me and my brother grew ourselves. So I wasn't really stable. So I went to Jonathan Grant High. Got kicked at third form, went to IPAS, didn't finish IPAS, right? Then went to a lot of evening classes, didn't finish those. But after that, I enrolled myself into Art Academy, right? That was Portmore Art Academy, which I went there to do electrical, and I didn't like that. And for some reason, I don't know I'm so lucky, but I got transferred to Stony Hill Art Academy. Finished that, right? Basically, I went there to do information technology, right? Yeah, I actually finished, but I didn't graduated, right? I'm not a spotlight person. That's just me. I didn't went to graduation, right? I'm not really unruly, but that's just how it was.
Okay, I get that. So you're well-rounded as to where schools are concerned.
Yeah.
All right, no problem. So what happened that showed you that you had this talent?
Well, I've done nothing but music in terms of job, right? Right. I was a disc jock. I like to say selector, but they try to pretty up the thing these days. So I was a selector, right? And then, I love music so much. Me and my friend Smokey said, "Hear what? We're going to build a studio," right? I used to live in Helton Park, and we were building the studio at a place called Vilmore. And when we decided to build the studio, everybody was laughing at us because we were walking like 5 miles with some plywood on our head, right? And everybody was laughing at us and all of that, right? And, we completed the studio and everything. And that was just it from ever since.
Nice.
Yeah, man, big up Smokey.
Big up Smokey wherever you are. And what was the feeling after you have accomplished building that studio?
Great feeling. Here I am right now, still doing music.
Awesome. That's great. Now, where have you ever performed? Well,
I've performed numerous places, right? Tall Boss from the unit just recently did a show at his place, Legendary Sports Bar, that's around Back Road, right? Stars of the Future, and that consists of a lot of young artists, upcoming artists, I should say. You understand? And that was a great show. I've performed at Port Royal at, can't remember the name of the place, but that's where the soldiers are. The Coast Guard performed there at their Christmas show. That's on, the link to that is on Instagram, right? That was a great show. Yeah, numerous places.
And would that be Marines?
Yes, Marines.
Marines, awesome.
Yeah.
And how were you received?
Well, they had doubts, right? My friend Brahms brought me their artist friend. And, Brahms is their favorite artist. Brahms performed there every year. And when Brahms called me up and I was performing, a soldier jumped up and he was like, "A Brahms boy, see me no want to see you. A Brahms boy, see." And I say, "So you don't rate me?"
Oh.
Right? All right, let me tell you about my friend. And I perform a song called My Friend Them that I'm currently promoting right now. Yeah. And trust me, the place, yeah, shell down.
Nice. I can see from the delight on your face that you succeeded in that performance.
No, I did well. I did well. Okay.
Sorry.
In that performance.
He did well.
In that
did
performance.
well in that performance.
Yes.
He did well. And was this recorded?
Yes, it was.
It was awesome.
And as I said before, the link to that is on my Instagram page. I'll give you the information for my Instagram after the show.
So we can locate you on all major platforms?
Yes, all major platforms.
Awesome. So apart from singing, what other talents do you have?
As I said, I was a disc jock, right? You know, I'm currently a studio engineer, right, at Fire Oil Records, right? And you know, so after working in the days, or if the day is free and all of that, I'll do my recordings. But during the day, I'm a professional, straight work, engineering.
So not only are you an artist, but you're also a multiple talented person.
Yeah.
Meaning like jack of all trades.
Yes, I'm a lover as well, you know. Jack of all trades.
Awesome.
Loving.
And do you have any recorded songs?
A lot.
Can you give me like most common song that person would actually say that, hey, I know Streetz for this song?
It's a single that I'm telling you about it's called My Friend Them, Streetz. It's on all digital platform right now. So you can go on YouTube. There's a video for it. Yeah.
Nice.
So My Friend Them.
Awesome. So the question I wanted to ask you was, do you have any music videos or any recorded performance? But you just referred to My Friends, and you told us that we can find that on any major platform. Yeah. So we'll definitely look forward to that. Are you signed with a manager or a booking agent?
No, I'm not currently signed with anyone. Fire Royal, no way I do, you know. Because she wants to sign me now, you know. So no way I do. Yeah, man. So right now I'm just doing some recordings, right? Like I'm very serious about my recordings. Like I record like 2 songs per week. So right now I have a lot of unmixed songs and all of that. Yeah, I have more than 30 songs to be mixed right now, right? But there's a lot of songs that's already mixed that's to be released. Yeah, that I choose not to release because I don't feel it's the right time. I'm just working with 1 song for now.
Awesome. So we can look forward to that anytime soon.
Yeah.
Awesome. I have a very important question here that I want to ask you based on the experience and how you grew up and things, how it turned out for you. So while in the music industry, what have you learned?
Well, since I've been in the music industry, I've learned that no one who's close to you will really give you the support that you're expecting them to give you. You'll always get that support from, you know, strangers, right? And that's kind of messed up, right? To hear when one of your friends or someone you know say like, Streetz, me hear a song I play, or, you know, me see a song on the internet and all that, but they still don't give you a like. They still don't share it. You know, so that's kind of messed up, right? Whenever you look and you see a like, or a share, it's always from someone that you don't know, right? Like a lot of artists sing songs, and you know them say most people don't dead here, and most of your friends don't dead here when you know you go through the struggles, but them always there for the glory. True. And that's kind of messed up.
It is. So how does that impact you as an artist?
It just let me just go harder each time.
So it motivates you.
Yeah, man, it motivates, man. Big push, man. Awesome. Big push. It's like somebody just in my back just kick me.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
And you will definitely from that drive.
Yeah, man. A wicked drive that in there. So when somebody goes to push you, a wicked drive because they must work harder, work harder, work harder. I like that.
Nice. So for my final question, with that same kick, with that same drive, with that same push, where do you see yourself, or how far would you want to carry this music career?
There's no boundary for music for me. It's like I'm going everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. If I'm supposed to do a rock and roll song, somebody say, yo, Streetz, when you record a rock and roll song, I'm going to record a rock and roll song. You understand? So music has no limits for me. Yeah, man, I do all type of music. I don't sing alone. I sing, I DJ. If I have to rap, I'm going to rap. That's just me. Because whenever I'm doing a song, the way I challenge myself, most of the times, the name of my song is the name of the rhythm. So if say, so forth, Nero give me a rhythm and the rhythm name Flowers, I'm going to write a song called Flowers.
So you match, not only do you record on the rhythm, but you match the name of the rhythm.
Yeah, challenge my brain that way.
Challenge it. And that's awesome, something to keep bear in mind. That's awesome.
Yeah, so when you hear my songs, think about the name of the rhythms. Yeah.
And think about street, guys.
Ladies, think about streets.
So there you have it. Now, we have come to the end of the interview segment of the episode of Portmore Talent Show. We are going for a short break, and when we get back, we'll have a live performance from the one and only Streetz. So stay tuned.
My real friend that if me broke tomorrow morning, my friends them have my back. Me have friends so me always can call on, feeling me out some cash coming off that. My friend fix that.
Welcome back, my people, and today we have with us the big bad DJ, DJ 45, and today we're introducing the one and only Streetz. Streetz, let's give us and show us what you have. Take it away, man.
Yes, me. I love Jamaica. Yes. So anywhere in the world I go, I have to represent the Jamaica.
Alright, let's go.
Why? You want a woman come to Jamaica. What them say? A land of wood and water. I'm going to tell about Jamaica. Highland in the sun, I love this tropical breeze. Big booty girl set my mind at ease. Bad with my friends 7 days and the weed, drink some coconut rum and everything complete. But weed I blaze with some hot grabber leaf. Cattle dash rub out on the sand on the beach. American, Chinese and Japanese, me no care as long as them dip on the knees. This why was we have things from the east. Some true to collect them, it's why MD. So me still I wanna mix with me day one peeps. And I wanna watch the tropical breeze. So me put me up, me jump around. The party and I just to bongo yard. Ready to go but me can't find the yard. Y'all let me jump and I try rip me up. And another one day I'm yard. And if we come take coffee. Next rhythm. Me a real gallus. Me and cousin of us, Russell Neely, Fire Royal. They both never like me for that one here. But all over the world we have girls. All over the world, with the local and international. What let me tell you about the girl? Easier said there ain't what true. She said she want me for herself. She willing to share and she hope she am me type. She said me love browning, but she black and pretty and empty ties. She said to change my life and she do anything to make things right. Me love you too, me hard, but me can't settle down cause people are mad over me. Me and my friends them half girls now. People are mad over way. Look on me a what? Star boy from a band, girl are mad over me. Me and my friends them half girls now. People are mad over me. Star boy from a band. Come shows. She said me real to the bone. Willing to take this new beef with the bone. Me stand firm in her zone. She can't wait me explode in her core. Girl, you just a bring up my phone so God know me no want to block myself. You see the text when me send you home if you change when y'all are mad over me. Listen me, they are Washington. I have a little episode. A girl, what's on the level? A girl call me. I'm going to go over to her. And as we start talk to her, I say I'm on her frowns. I say, I want to bring her frowns. So I said, are you brother that? She said, no, I'm not my brother. So I said, why my frowns so? She said, she don't know. I see me grab her and draw her away and start cuss her. I'm going to say, what this? And I say, she do a little signal to me and I say, how I really are going? And them say, yo, enough of them people and I really like, you know, black people, you know. Some of those racism really exists. Reaching out to all the white women them, but but me love the black girls them too. Now I have phone here. She's white and black, we don't see no races. Colors of our skin, both of us erasing. We don't have a problem, so why discriminate it? We both love each other and nothing will ever change. Cause I'm a black man in this white man world, messing around all these white men girl, all these races. Why should colors of her, black or white, let's love all these girls. I'm a black man in this white man world, messing around all these white men girl, all these races, all these motherfucking races in the world. Does I feel the vibes? Next track, next track. Look on all of my friends then. People, just tuning into Streetz Viva. Yeah man. This is the song me I promote. All of my friends there. Big up Ryan. But me tell about my friend them. And some boy. If you don't rate me don't rate you too. Cause my friend realer than your Gucci shoes. Me no follow man, me don't have a thing for prove your love chat. It's like a fruity youth. But my friend Nancy sure sell me out. Tell me woman of me your life for me. And that my one friend then do for your too. And my friend them that. 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 Big up yourself because real friend that. If me rock tomorrow morning, my friends them have my back. Me have friends so me always can call back. Feeling me on some cash so me not have that. My friend fix that. When me not have that, Kim have my back. Cause I'm my friend them that. I'm my friend them that. I'm my friend them that. Big up DJ 45. You know me hate? You know me hate when I go up on the road. And as I go up on the road, I make a move that here. Streetz, me see you. Me there on a back road, I go on all the vibes. And as me step out of the bar, me hear a man ball out. Streetz, me see you. So me say, me see you too. See you no see man. You see me I say, peer new, some man love carry. Run back that. So I'm going to tell you about some boy. Boy, DJ 45 set away. Every time we walk a road, you just watch my business alone. You just chat, news, carrying it, you really that fun. Leave people business alone, I see and I say. Cause you are get bun and me I get bun too. See and I say. Cause you lock down girl, me lock down too. See and I say. Your money and God and my girl I want to. See and I say. Cause if it comes to the test I don't know you would have give me one cut. Watch it comes business, me no in that. Fi watch man girl and no mind in that. See me on the road with that bag of girl a chat. And I carry news to me girl, what kind of thing that. If you see I'm blind, here and there. Leave people business because I will. If a girl a give me, why the hell you a vex like a girl how she a use. See and I say. Cause you a give one and me a give one too. See and I say. Cause you lock down girl, me lock down too. See and I say. Your money and God and my girl I want to. See and I say. Cause if it comes to this, if you don't know you would have give me one cause God make woman from me left rib. So me a search and search till me find my rib. Me not make no ones with me head like a big one. Kill that me a live with. Every time me touch you road, me white friend now watch me out. She just a watch out me thing. If they say she just see and I say. Big up on herself, big up on herself. I'm out, I'm out. Right now, don't change the dial and just watch the video. Streetz, my friend and that, and Portmore talent show.
A glimpse cinema film.
Streetz. Am my friend them that? Am my friend them that? Am my friend them that? Fire royal. If you no rate me no rate you too. Cause my friend realer than your Gucci shoes. We no follow man, we don't have a thing to prove your love. Chat is like a fruity youth. But my friend now since she sell me yo. Tell me woman I'm me yard life for me. And not that my woman friend them do for your too. And my friend them that. 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 And my real friend that. If me broke tomorrow morning, my friends them have my back. Me have friends so me always can call pan. Feeling me out some cash for me not have that. My friend fix that. When me not have that, Kim have my back. Cause I'm my friend them that. I'm my friend them that. I'm my friend them that. I'm my real friend that. Yeah, I'm my friend them that. I'm my friend them that. I'm my friend them that. I'm my real friend that. If you no rate me no rate you too. Cause my friend realer than your Gucci shoes. We no follow man, we don't have a thing to prove your love. Chat is like a fruity youth. But my friend now since she sell me yo. Tell me woman I'm me yard life for me. And not that my woman friend them do for your too. And my friend them that. 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 And my real friend that.